Can a minor enter a contract? Imagine a 17-year-old receives a scholarship or inherits property or becomes a beneficiary under an insurance policy. But wait, didn't we learn in the last episode that a minor cannot enter into a contract? Then how does it work? Hi, I am Prasad. Welcome back to One Section at a Time. In our previous episode, we discussed section 11 and learned that minor is incompetent to contract or he is not competent to enter into a contract. We also looked at Dharmodas Ghosh case as well. Today let's answer an important question. Can a minor ever benefit from a contract? The answer is surprisingly interesting. The rule is simple. A minor cannot enter into a valid contract. Any agreement with a minor is generally void from the very beginning. Void ab initio. But that does not mean that law ignores minors completely. Exception number one, beneficial contracts. A minor may be a beneficiary. Suppose a grandfather gives rupees 5 lakhs to his grandson through a legal arrangement. The minor can enforce that benefit. Why? Because the law protects benefits given to minors. Exception number two, scholarship and insurance benefits. A minor may receive scholarship benefits, receive insurance proceeds, receive gifts, receive trust benefits. These are beneficial arrangements. The law permits them. Exception number three, necessaries supplied to a minor. Section 68 is important. If a person supplies necessaries suited to the condition in life of a minor, then reimbursement may be claimed from the minor's property. For example, food, medical, education, essential clothing. These may qualify as necessaries depending on the circumstances. An important case here would be Nash versus Inman. A famous English case. A tailor supplied expensive clothes to a student. The student was already adequately supplied with clothing. The court held that these were not necessaries, so there is no reimbursement that could be provided. Important principle here to understand and learn, necessaries do not create personal liability on the minor. Recovery is generally against the minor's property. This distinction is very important. Can a minor ratify a contract? Suppose a minor enters into an agreement at an age of 17 and after 18 he says, I now approve it. Does it become valid? No, because the original agreement was void from the very beginning. A fresh contract must be entered into. Can a minor be a partner? Interesting point. A minor cannot become a full partner. However, under the partnership law, a minor may be admitted to the benefits of partnership. Profits, yes. Full contractual liability, no. Why this topic really matters? I mean, many students remember only minor's agreement is void, but typically the examiners would expect more. They want to know the rights of minors, the beneficial contracts, the necessaries, ratification, partnership benefits, etc. So let's do a very quick recap. Minor's agreement, void. Minor can receive benefits. Minor can claim under beneficial arrangements. Necessaries may be reimbursed. No ratification of a void agreement. The law protects minors from obligations, but it does not prevent them from receiving the benefits. I hope you have found this helpful. Share it with a fellow student. Follow one section at a time for more legal concepts simplified. In the next episode, we will understand what is sound mind. We will explore section 12 in more details. Until then, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep listening.